Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. In today's video, we dive deep into the word inauspicious. We will explore its meaning, definition, usage in sentences, and uncover some intriguing synonyms. Stay tuned as we unravel this term, making it easier to understand and use in everyday conversation. Inauspicious meaning. The word inauspicious is often used to describe something that seems to have a bad or unfortunate outcome. It signals the presence of an unfavorable or unlucky situation. If an event or omen is inauspicious, it implies that things might not go as planned and could lead to undesirable results. Definition of inauspicious. By definition, inauspicious is an adjective that means not conducive to success, unpromising or unfavorable. It stems from the Latin word auspice, which refers to the practice of interpreting omens. When something is described as inauspicious, it carries a sense of foreboding or bad luck. Inauspicious synonyms. Let's explore some powerful synonyms that can be used interchangeably with inauspicious to enrich your vocabulary. Ominous, unlucky, ill-fated, dire, unpropitious, unfortunate, grim, gloomy. Portentous usage in sentences. Understanding how to use inauspicious in a sentence can further enhance your grasp of the word. The dark clouds on the horizon were an inauspicious sign for the sailors. The business venture had an inauspicious start, with numerous setbacks in the first week. Despite the inauspicious beginning, she managed to turn her luck around and achieve success.